What's up, y'all? Hedges here from Yacht Club in Denver, Colorado. I'm making a cocktail today that I feel like is pretty well known around the world in homes, as bars. We all love to make them. We all love to drink them. But we're kind of looking at an opportunity to maybe stretch it out and enjoy a little more of them. So this is a Vesper cocktail, but reimagined as a highball. And this is one in our bar that we serve. Probably one of our top 3 cocktails that we serve on the menu. And it's something I love to make it. It's very simple for both us in fast volume service, but also just something that is very simple to make at home. Something very, very delicious and super classic. The idea behind a Vesper, splitting up vodka and gin a little bit, adding some Lillet, and making a martini out of that. The classic bond drink. Something debated between shaking and stirring. And we said we'd just kind of cut all of that out and just add some soda water and do it as a highball instead. We're taking the classic recipe and not maybe making it as traditionally. A little bit of sugar, just as that water comes in, you need something to balance it out and give a little bit of palate. We're also adding a touch of Verjus for acidity. Again, we want all of the notes of a great balanced cocktail to happen in one very short, I should say tall cocktail. So a little bit of Verjus, a little bit of sugar, and then the classic ingredients of that Vesper, so Lillet. Bring a little fortified wine into the mix. Vodka, we've got a ½ ounce of vodka in there. Vodka of choice today is Kettle One, but anything you got on hand will work. Forbes gin, our house favorite at the bar, and just one that I think hits all the right notes that you're looking for. Big citrus pop, a lot of juniper, good strength behind it. We do an ounce of gin in this cocktail as well. Again, no shaking, no stirring, none of that needed in this. We're gonna add maybe 2 ounces of soda water, 2.5. Fill this glass up, kind of let it do its thing. We wanna make sure we have enough ice in there to kind of get full glass worth. And then a big lemon twist over the top, more for aromatics, something refreshing. Again, kind of transport your mind somewhere and just know that you're gonna enjoy something classic but reimagined. So, yeah.